Assalamu alaikum.
Urwa b. Al-Zubair said the Fatima daughter of Abu Hubaysh had a prolonged flow of blood. The Prophet said to her, "When the blood of menses comes, it is black blood which can be recognized. So when that comes, refrain from prayer, but when a different type comes, perform ablution and pray." Abu Dawud said, Ibn al-Mutana said, Ibn Adi narrated this tradition from his memory on the authority of Urwa from Aisha. Abu Dawud said, this tradition has also been transmitted by Al-Alabi, Al-Muzayyab and Shubah from Al-Hakam on the authority of Abu Ja'far. Al-Ala reported it as a statement of the Prophet, and Shubah as a statement of Abu Ja'far, saying, she should perform ablution for every prayer. Narrated Habiba daughter of Yash. Ikrimah said, Habiba daughter of Yash had a prolonged flow of blood. The Prophet commanded her to refrain from prayer during her menstrual period. Then she should wash and pray. If she sees anything which renders ablution void, she should perform ablution and pray. Rabi'ah said, Habiba daughter of Yash had a prolonged flow of blood. The Prophet commanded her to refrain from prayer during her menstrual period. Then she should wash and pray. If she sees anything which renders ablution void, she should perform ablution and pray. Abu Dawud said, this is the view held by Malik b. Anas. Amatiyah, who took an oath of allegiance to the Prophet, said, we would not take into consideration brown and yellow fluid after purification.